Hi, this is Mick Young, the creator of the Easiest Guitar program. I've been teaching beginner guitar for around about 20 years, and over that time I've noticed that there's certain patterns and habits that especially adult beginners have, which can really hold them back and lead them to get frustrated.
So you're not do this. Can't do it. Quitting.
The Easiest Guitar method is a whole new approach to learning the guitar, which is specifically designed for adult beginners who are either starting from scratch or have played before and for whatever reason quit the guitar and put it away in the cupboard. This method takes a completely different approach from most guitar teachers, and we get you playing music from the very beginning that sounds like real music, even if you've never picked up the guitar before in your life. So if you've always wanted to play the guitar, but you thought, I just don't have the time, I'm not one of those musical people, or I should have started when I was 3 years old and been some kind of musical prodigy, then I can prove all of that false. Anyone can learn to play the guitar. So in my free video training series, I'm going to show you how to overcome difficulties with chords, how to discover your own inbuilt musicality, even if you think you haven't got a musical bone in your body, and teach you to easily overcome all the problems that beginner guitarists face, all the while learning some great sounding music along the way. All you need to do is sign up next to this video and I'll send you the free video series straight to your inbox. Thanks for joining me, and we'll catch you soon.